The first video from the iPhone SE2 appeared, if, of course, this is it. In the Chinese social network, TikTok published a video that allegedly shows a new inexpensive iPhone. In the video, the smartphone looks like a cross between old iPhones. From the iPhone 8 it got a 4.7-inch screen, and from the iPhone 5 a flat side frame. This is slightly different from the renderings that the insider showed. It's difficult to verify the authenticity of this iPhone by video. It can be either a really new iPhone SE2 or just an old iPhone 8, which changed the case. The smartphone is made in green, which in tone is similar to the iPhone 11. According to rumors, the presentation of the iPhone SE2, another possible name, iPhone 9, will be held on March 31st. The company has not yet officially announced the date of the event, but should do so soon. The smartphone will receive a small screen, Touch ID fingerprint scanner, Apple A13 processor and one camera. iPhone SE2 will cost about $399. This will turn into 35 to 40,000 rubles in Russia. It turns out one of the cheapest Apple smartphones in the last 5 years, since the release of the first iPhone SE.